Yeah, and we're just getting going, Betsy. As you know, we're heading into peak hurricane season, and we have our own weather impacts to worry about.
We definitely do, and tomorrow is a weather impact alert day, and the impacts will be greatest in the morning and early afternoon with thunderstorms that we're expecting to come through. Those thunderstorms are going to be bringing heavy rain. Again, these big drop tropical rains that just absolutely flood the roads in a very quick fashion. So heavy rain rates will be with us, as well as high wind gust potential. So tough driving is going to be a big issue tomorrow morning, especially along the lakeshore area right around rush hour. So definitely have ways to get warning information. Matt Wintz will have the latest look at the radar tomorrow morning at 4:30 a.m. to get you started. Right now, the radar relatively clear. We got one little shower that's in southwestern Richland County, a few showers out over the lake. It's nothing. The really big stuff is out to the west of us, and these thunderstorms are intense. As a matter of fact, we have a tornado confirmed on the ground right now. That's the black outline of the purple box that is in northeastern portions of Iowa. This complex is diving to the southeast, and you can see the thunderstorms that are firing even over Lake Michigan. So there is a lot that's happening in the atmosphere, and all of it is because of a storm system that is moving in. It's moving along a frontal boundary, which is draped right across the state of Ohio and Indiana. And this dry air, this brown blob here, that is dry air on our water vapor imagery. That is the energy. That's the powerhouse that is just punching into all of this heat and humidity and firing these thunderstorms. You can see the trajectory that it's taking. It's coming right our direction. So that's why we're kind of highlighting that possibility tomorrow morning of things getting a little nasty. As a matter of fact, we're not alone. The Storm Prediction Center from the National Weather Service issuing a 2 out of 5 threat risk for tomorrow morning as those thunderstorms begin to roll in. And that is for all of our counties with the exception of extreme northeastern Ashtabula County. So basically all of northeast Ohio. So that is why tomorrow is a weather impact alert day, morning and early afternoon. We'll call it 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. Give us a little grace on that. But that's because that's the best time for these rain-packed thunderstorms to be moving through with some high winds. And again, please stay alert to those issues because tomorrow morning's roads are going to be tricky. The damaging winds and the heavy rain will be the biggest problems. We cannot rule out large hail or a tornado risk tomorrow, but right now it looks like the wind and the heavy rain will be the biggest thing. So again, here comes the thunderstorms as they continue to move to the east. We stop the clock at 8 a.m. on the bigger scale, and you can see how the storms are lined up to the west of us. So the first wave expected to come through in the morning. That will move out by midday, only to have another wave come in. That then will be moving out, and then through the rest of the afternoon, you can see we still have more scattered rain and thunder that will be with us. And if we time out these rain chances here, we're into periods of rain just about all darn day tomorrow across northern Ohio. So just be ready if you're out and about. National Design Mart on the hour forecast for tomorrow morning. We stop the clock at 6 a.m. No rain in the area. Those thunderstorms are going to be moving in right along I-90 at 9 a.m. So that could be a big problem for drivers tomorrow morning. We'll have another wave that comes in at noon. This is right along the lakeshore areas, and that will continue to drift to the southeast following that same line. So now we've had a repeat of a round of heavy rain. That could exacerbate some high water problems. And through the rest of the afternoon, we continue to have these inundating showers and thunderstorms moving through. It is going to be a tricky day tomorrow. So please do check in tomorrow morning with Matt. And of course, we'll keep you updated online too. But tomorrow evening, right now, it looks like 70s. We're going to try and dry things out for the Guardians, which is certainly some great news. Here's your Union Home Mortgage forecast, and you can see where we go from there. Once this thing gets out of here, man, it's going to be a great rest of the week with temperatures in the 70s. If you've been asking for less humid air, it's coming. Next chances for rain come late Sunday, and then we start to warm up into next week.